Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about growth and depreciation. Now what does growth and depreciation means? We will soon find out. Growth means when a quantity increases with the pace of time. For example, let's do a sum from this growth. The present population of a town is 15,625. If the population increases at the rate of 4% every year, what will be the increase in population in next 3 years? So, which means this is the this is the present population of a town, and the population is increasing, which means it's a problem of growth at the rate of 4% every year. Every year 4% population is increasing. What will be the increase in population in the next 3 years? Let's take a look at the formula. The formula is value is equals to initial value V0 plus 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. This n is the time. This is the final value. And this is the initial value, that means starting value. Initial value. And this is the rate of growth. Rate of growth. So, this math is really simple. Simply by applying the formula, you will be getting the result. So, let's begin. So, first you write V0, or which means, since you are learning for the first time, let's write the present population. The present population, which is in bracket V0 is equals to 15,625. Rate of growth is equals to 4% PA per year or per annum. The time is given by 3 years. Time is 3 years. Now, therefore, the population after 3 years, bracket A, V is equals to V0 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, which is, what is the value of V0? The V0 means 15,625 into 1 plus rate of interest is 4, rate of growth is 4 by 100 whole to the power 3. These maths are very similar to the chapter compound interest. That's why these are given together. This formula is very similar or exact similar to the formula of compound interest. Now let's simplify. 15,625 whole to the power 3, which means 104, 100 plus 4, 104 by 100 whole to the power 3 is equals to 15,625 multiplied by 104 by 100, 104 by 100 and 104 by 100. Now let's simplify. Now you know that population of a town, it cannot be a fraction. So the answer will not be a decimal. And I have already told you this 15,625 means 25 cubes are 15,625. It is good if you can memorize the value. Now let's divide 100 with 25. The answer is 4. This divided by 25, the answer will be 625, which is 25 square. This divided by 25 is 4. This divided by 25 is only 25. Now this 25 and 100, if you divide, answer will be 4. Now with this 4, if I divide this, the answer will be 20. 4 2s are 8, then 26. This will also be 26 and this will also be 26. So the answer is 26 into 26 into 26. Now what is the value of 26 cube? Yes, some of you may guessed it correctly. It is 17,576. This is the population. This is the population after 3 years. Now remember, they did not ask the population after 3 years. They are asking what will be the increase in population. That means how much the population, how many people will increase, which means they are indirectly, they are asking for the increment. And for this reason, you need to subtract this value with the initial value. That means the present population and the future population needs to be subtracted. So therefore, just write the increase in population is equals to 17,576 minus 15,625, which will give you 1, then 5, then 9. So the answer is 1951. This is your answer. Now let's see a different example. Let's see another example. Dinesh purchased a scooter for 24,000. The value of the scooter depreciating at the rate 5% per annum. Calculate its value after 3 years. Depreciating means the value is decreasing year after year. In the pace of time, the value is decreasing. Now what is the formula? Let's check. The final value V is equals to V0 in bracket 1 minus R by 100. Be careful, this is minus. The reason it is minus because it is depreciating. Depreciating, when in the question it is given depreciating, you need to put minus. If it is given growing, you have to put plus. The formula is very similar to the formula of compound interest, but when at the time of depreciating, you need to put minus. So V is equals to V0 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power n. Now this math is really simple. So let's start. So the cost price of the scooter, that means the price Dinesh paid when he was buying, in the beginning it was rupees 24,000. The time is given 3 years, so it will be whole to the power 3 because this is 3. And rate of depreciation, that means decrease, which is R, is equals to 5% PA per annum. Every year 5% rate is decreasing. So therefore, the cost, write value only, value of the scooter after 3 years, the value of the scooter after 3 years, here I don't have space, I'm writing it here, writing the formula V0 1 minus R by 100 whole to the power n. What is V0? The initial value, which is 24,000 rupees into 1 minus R means 5%, 5 by 100. And what is the time? Time was given 3 years, so whole to the power 3. Now whole to the power 3 means you need to multiply this number thrice. So 24,000 into 100, 1 minus 5 by 100, if you calculate, it will become 95 and it is given cube, so write it 3 times. 95 by 100, then again 95 by 100. Now let's cancel the zeros. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, another 0 cancel. This will become 12 if I divide it divided by 2. This will become 5. 5 divided by 95 is 19. Again this by 2, or you can divide it by 4 also. If I divide this by 4, then this will become 25 and this will become 3. Now 25, if I divide this by 5, it will become 19 again. This will become 5. 5 divided by 95, it will become 19 again. So the values are 3 into 19 multiplied by 19. 19. So these are the values. Now if you do calculation, if you simply multiply these values, you will be getting the answer. So 3 19s are 57 and 19 19s are total. In total you will get 20,577 rupees. So this is the value of the scooter after 3 years. Now let's see what they are asking. Calculate its value after 3 years. So in this case, this is my final answer. And this is how you can solve all the problems of the chapter growth and depreciation. I hope you understood this problem. If you did not understand, please pause the video and watch again. Thank you.